What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to inline CSS files to boost your WordPress website performance, to make your page loads faster and rank better on Google Speed Insights. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use international sites' favor. So, first thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, all you have to do is enter with to the browser address bar your domain name plus wp-admin. Enter with username and password, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Once right here, review the upper right corner of your screen, there is an option called search plugins. Click and type Lightspeed Cache. Click on install now into this guy right here by Lightspeed Technologies. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. As soon as you activate the plugin, your WordPress website is gonna be faster, but find the plugin and hit settings. Once right here, scroll down just a little bit so you can see all of the plugin settings, and scroll down. Review the left sidebar of menus. We're going to be able to find Lightspeed Cache and a couple of submenus. Go to Page Optimization. We have CSS settings. Scroll down and you have a couple of good options. The minify CSS is okay. And the option that we're looking for, it's this one right here. Inline CSS. Set as on and you are good to go. Save changes. Your WordPress website gonna be faster. Simple, easy, free, no needs of coding, and you always have other options to test and to check if it helps your performance or not. But the safest ones are this one. Simple, right? Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!